Good morning, children. Welcome to today's online class. In the previous class, you have learned about the state government. It means that is in a class 7th. State government, part 1 and part 2, two chapters were there in the civics. So, in class 8, I'm going to teach you about the central government. First of all, let me say something about the central government. Central government hota kya hai? The central government works from Delhi. Therefore, it is commonly referred as Government of Delhi. President along with Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha is referred as Parliament. And the main work is Parliament is to make law. So let's move towards the chapter central government. In a country there is a state government. Along with it there is a government which looks after many matters like postal, banking, railway service, etc., and also maintains law and order of our country. In our country, two governments are there, state government as well central government. State government used to take care of the state, but the union government, either the central government, it used to look after many matters like postal, banking, railway service, etc., etc., and a part of that, it used to take care of law and order of our country. And this government is called central government. This government used to work for the country from capital city Delhi. As everyone knows, that capital city of India is Delhi only. So this government used to work from the city Delhi only. That's why it is commonly referred as Government of Delhi. Parliament for the entire country, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha prepares the law and President's signature is compulsory. The Parliament, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha commonly called as Parliament, and it used to prepare the law, कानून बनाता है, and the President sign is compulsory. President and both the house are called Parliament. President, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha commonly called as Parliament. See the picture 3.1. It shows the Parliament house of our country and it is situated in the capital of India. I think you people have seen Parliament house in the newspaper, either TV. Among the Parliament, first of all, I am going to tell you about the Lok Sabha. As different state has been divided into legislative areas, and about the legislative you have already studied in the previous class. Likewise, the whole country is divided into parliamentary electorate areas. So whole country is divided into small parliamentary electorate areas, and these areas are divided according to the population, just like the wards and all, how it used to divide according to the population. So the whole country also divided in parliamentary electorate areas, and near about 10 lakhs voters form a parliamentary electorate area. Please keep underline over here. About 10 lakh voters, they used to form a parliamentary electorate area. Therefore, the reason is that the state having a large number of population has more parliamentary seats of the area. It means which state having more population. So, according to population, that state has been divided into different parliamentary electorate area. So, in India, divided into 543 Lok Sabha parliamentary electorate area. Keep underline over here, those were textbook. And in which Chhattisgarh has 11 Lok Sabha seats, that is a parliamentary electorate area. So, once again, listen carefully. India is divided into 543 parliamentary electorate area. People of India elect the member of Lok Sabha, and these members have a working period of 5 years. A president, prime minister, chief minister, these all are having the working period of 5 years. One member can be representative of one area only. Come to the next, that is Rajya Sabha. I think in newspaper and in news you have seen about the Rajya Sabha session as well the Lok Sabha session. So now I am going to tell you about the Rajya Sabha. In the center there should be a representative from all the states. All the state they having one representative. So one another sabha was formed, which is known as Rajya Sabha. Either you can say that in Rajya Sabha you can get all the representative of the different states, and this is also called as state government representative committee, that is Rajya Sabha. By name, by seeing here you can understand that this is also called a state government representative. Means how many states are there, from every state one or two representative should be in the Rajya Sabha, and in Rajya Sabha there is 250 members. Of those, 238 members are elected by the state government. It means 238 members, they are the state representative, and 12 members who are renowned experts from the different subjects like art, science, literature and music, and these all are nominated by president. In a Lok Sabha, as I told you just now only, that in Lok Sabha 543 members are there. So in Rajya Sabha there are 250 members, and in that 250 members, 230 members are the state representative, and rest 12 members they are being elected by the president according to their different expert subjects, and these members working period of 6 years. In Rajya Sabha they having working period of 6 years. See, one yellow box is here. You can read that parliament is also called as legal administrator. Legal kanuni, legal it means kanuni hota hai. Parliament is also called legal administrator, and this is an important part of the government. Now next topic we are having efforts of the parliament. What are the main work of the parliament? The main work of the parliament is to prepare law, कानून बनाना, and secondly to inspect and inquire about the work of the cabinet minister. It means those who are working under the parliament, they have to must follow the works of the parliament. It means the first work, the parliament used to make the law, and secondly the parliament used to inquire all the works which has been done by the cabinet ministers. So one thing more, that why law is to be prepared by the parliament. Parliament ही कानून क्यों बनाता है? Because the representative who were elected by us, the representative, it means the state representative, they are elected by us only. Us, it means we the common people used to elect as a parsad, MP, MLS, like that. So they have to keep in mind the welfare of us, and they used to make the law. So as they all are our representative, our leaders, so they have all the things in their mind all about our welfare. That's why they used to make the law. So dear children, this is all about today. Rest of the chapter I'm going to give you in the next class. Hope till now whatever I taught you, you understood, and hope you all will go through nicely this video. Thank you.